Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English Mentor, the place where learning English is fun, easy, and natural.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. It's great to see you again.
How are you today, Jack?
I'm doing great. I had my morning tea, and I feel ready to chat. What about you?
I'm wonderful. I took a short walk before recording. It really helped me feel fresh.
Nice. And today's topic is perfect for feeling confident in daily life.
Yes, today we're going to practice small talks in English for daily life.
Small talk means short, friendly conversations, like when you meet someone new or talk to a neighbor.
Exactly. We'll go through 7 fun daily life situations and help you sound natural in English.
And before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fluent English Mentor, and share it with your friends who want to speak English confidently.
All right, let's begin our first small talk.
Okay.
Imagine you live next door to me. You see me outside in the morning.
All right, let's go.
Good morning, Jack. How are you today?
Morning, Emma. I'm good, thanks. Just taking the trash out. How about you?
I'm great. I'm going for a quick walk before work.
Nice. The weather looks perfect for a walk.
Yes, it's sunny, but not too hot. I love mornings like this.
Me too. Enjoy your walk.
Thanks, Jack. Have a great day.
You too. See you later.
See ya.
That's a simple, friendly chat with a neighbor.
Yes, you can talk about the weather, plans, or just say hello. It's polite and easy.
Now, let's go to our next situation, waiting for the bus.
Okay, we both are waiting for the bus in the morning.
Sure, let's start.
Excuse me, do you know if bus number 7 already passed?
I think it hasn't. It should be here in 5 minutes.
Oh, great. Thank you. The buses are always late these days.
Yes, they never come on time.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I go to work downtown. And you?
I work at a bookstore. It's just 2 stops away.
That sounds nice. I love reading.
Me too. Oh, here comes the bus.
Perfect timing.
See, a short talk can make waiting time much nicer.
Yes, small talk is a great way to practice English in real life.
Okay, next, let's practice talking at a grocery store.
Good idea. I'll be the cashier. You're the customer.
All right, let's go.
Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. Just doing some shopping for dinner.
That's great. Are you cooking something special?
Yes, I'm making pasta tonight.
Yum, that sounds delicious.
Thank you. Oh, could you tell me where the cheese is?
Sure, it's in aisle 3 next to the milk.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. Anything else today?
That's all. How much is it?
$12.50, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a great evening.
You too. Bye.
That was a polite and natural conversation.
Yes. Remember to use phrases like, could you tell me where, or how much is it?
Next, let's talk about weekend plans, something people often use for small talk.
Yes, it's perfect for work or casual chat. Let's start.
Hey, Emma, got any plans for the weekend?
I might visit my parents on Saturday. What about you?
I'm thinking about going hiking with some friends.
That sounds amazing. Where are you going?
Probably to Green Hill Park. It's quiet and beautiful.
Oh, I love that place. Don't forget to take sunscreen.
Good advice. What do you usually do on weekends?
Sometimes I just stay home and watch movies.
Nice. Everyone needs rest days too.
Exactly.
See? Small talk can be about simple things like weekend plans.
Yes, and it helps build friendly connections. Now, let's go to the gym.
My favorite place after coffee shops.
All right, let's practice. Hey there. Do you mind if I use this treadmill?
Oh, not at all. I just finished.
Thanks. Do you come here often?
Yeah, about 3 times a week. It helps me relax.
That's great. I'm trying to exercise more these days.
Good for you. Starting is always the hardest part.
So true. Oh, by the way, nice playlist. What are you listening to?
Some upbeat pop music. It keeps me moving.
I'll have to try that. Thanks.
No problem. Enjoy your workout.
You too.
Simple, short, and friendly. That's the secret to small talk.
Exactly. Small questions, big confidence.
Now, let's imagine we're co-workers at an office.
All right, let's do it.
Hey, Emma, how's your day going?
Pretty good. I just finished a report. What about you?
Same here. I'm working on the presentation for tomorrow.
Ah, that one. Need any help?
Thanks, but I think I've got it. Just a few slides left.
Cool. Are you joining the team lunch later?
Yes, I heard we're getting pizza.
Yay, that's my favorite.
See, even small talks at work can make your day better.
Yes, and it makes you sound friendly and confident. All right, Jack, let's finish with the most classic small talk, the weather.
Yes, the safest topic in the world.
True. Let's go. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes, so bright and warm, perfect for a walk.
I love sunny days. They make me feel happy.
Me too. Yesterday was so rainy.
Oh, yes, I almost forgot my umbrella.
We all do that sometimes.
All right, Jack, I have to go now. I need to pick up some groceries.
Sure. It was nice chatting with you.
You too. Have a great day.
Thanks, Emma. See you later.
Bye.
And that's how you start and end a friendly conversation politely.
Wow, Emma, we practiced so many real-life conversations today.
Yes, talking to neighbors, at the gym, at the store, about the weekend, so many examples.
And remember, small talks may be short, but they help you sound natural and confident.
Exactly. The secret is simple. Smile, be polite, and keep it short.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Every small conversation helps you learn faster.
Yes, the more you speak, the better you get.
Before we go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fluent English Mentor, and tell us in the comments, where do you practice small talks in English?
At work? At school? At a shop? We'd love to know. Your comments are great English practice, too.
All right, Emma, it was lovely talking to you today.
Same here, Jack. I really enjoyed it.
See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone, and keep speaking English every day.
Bye for now.